enjoy activities and learning centers. My school is a happy school. I am happy in my happy school. I love my school and school is so special.
There's no word through which I can describe my school. It's wonderful. Along with the academics, our school is practicing UNSDG, which means United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, in the form of AP. It involves successive research with the teachers helping us.
I love to go to TechnoSkills lab as we learn about electrical components there. We also learn about different types of circuits, and we can create new things by joining those components and the circuits in a right way.
I love my school because the students can easily communicate with the teachers.
We are not only taught with books, but we have experiential learning. We also have the freedom to express our thoughts, and teachers even listen to us.
Many activities are also conducted. On every festival, functions are also organized for us.
Except for studies, we are also learning music, dance, and such activities.
Sani da ni da ma ga sa ga ma da ni sa. Sani da ni da ma ga sa ga ma da ni sa. Sani da ni da ma ga sa ga ma da ni sa.